Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to connect Microsoft SQL Server with Power BI. So first here, let's open this place SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. And they're going to connect with the SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. So this is database engine. And now let's click on this connect. This is connected. Thereafter, here you can see this is the server name, and here you can see this is the database, and the Adam is the user defined database. Thereafter, the next is let's open this place Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop. Now you can see select a data source or start with a blank report. Here you can see Excel SQL Server. So let's click on this SQL Server. Or then you can get this here. Let's close server. So what exactly is the server? Let's cancel or copy this server name. This server name that's going to paste inside there. After that, this place here, let's give database. So if I connect there, then you can go on this database here. Adam is the user defined database. So going to connect with the Adam. So that here going to give this is optional, but you should give Adam, and import, this is optional, this is also optional. After that, let's click on this OK. Then here desktop Adam. So this option going to use there, use my current credential, and after that simply you need to click on this connect. So this here, wait for a few seconds. This Adam that's connected there. Now let's go on this EMP. So if you double click on this EMP, then you can get this data. Here you have two options, load or transform data. So let's click on this load. So this is now loading and creating connection in a model. Total 14 rows that's loaded there. Thereafter, here you can see on this data. Let's do here checking DPT. DPT. Then let's include their salary. So if I make that little bigger, here sum of DPT number and sum of salary. Thereafter, you can select here pin, and you can also use their job. This is job. Then you can see salesman 6K, president this. So here you can see this is president, blue color is there, 5K is the salary. Now the next is here, this is report, this is table view, data, this is model, and this here you can perform the DAX. DAX so query you can perform there. After that, let's cancel. This is not canceling. Now get data option here. You can also get. Let's use the SQL Server and pasting there. So if you don't give any database, so here let's click on this OK. So this desktop Adam is the option you can select. Let's select here this. So Adam option that's come there. Let's use their file one this times. So file, this is going to use their transform. So when you click on this transform, then Power Query Editor that's come there. Inside this Power Query Editor, you can do some operation there. So many ready-made things are available. So choose column, remove column. So remove column is the option. So one column, that's selected column, that's removed. Now you can choose the columns here merge option, so many options you can do here on this Power Query editor. So this is the most simplest way we can connect SQL Server with Power BI. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.